Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie and I do recommend you stay till the very end so you can get each and every single tip and trick on how to get the correct hole for the type of snow globe tumbler that you are going to want, whether it's to sell in your business and or for gifts. Okay, so let's get started. So straight to the point, you're going to want to make your holes. You can use the rhinestone, the heat, or you could drill a hole into your snow globe tumbler. Either way, it doesn't really matter how you make the hole, as long as you get the hole in the correct spot so that you can make the type of tumbler that you want to make. Now, there are different types of tumblers that there are. There is the no flow, which is the kind that the glitter does not move in there. So it is a snow globe. It is a double wall tumbler. This one right here, it's the no flow. The reason they call it no flow is because the glitter is stuck to the walls of the snow globe. Okay, the next one is the blood effect one right there. That one is where you're going to put two different liquids in here and it is going to give you that blood effect. I will tell you exactly where to put the hole to get the perfect mix and the reaction without huge bubbles. Also, there is the snow globe one. This one is the flow snow globe tumbler. Now this one, the reason they call it the flow one is because you shake it just like a snow globe and the glitter moves around inside. I will show you exactly where you need to put the holes to get these tumblers done correctly without too much hassle and all those air bubbles. Okay, now some of these do need two holes and some of these need just one. Now for this one right here, the no flow, you're gonna need just one hole. Now the one hole you're gonna need is all the way here in the corner. Now this one right here, it is kind of hard to work with, but you have to be able to make the hole where it's not all the way in the corner, then that way you don't struggle putting your resin over to cover the hole. Now what you're gonna wanna do is make the hole all the way in the corner to be able to get the polyacrylic. So what you do is you make the hole all the way in the corner to be able to pour the polyacrylic out after you put it in there, because this one right here, in order to get the glitter stuck to the walls, you're going to need polyacrylic. So you make the hole, you put the polyacrylic in there, you move it around, then you let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. You just let it just drip all out. After you let it drip all out, then you put the glitter in there, you move it all around and it gets stuck to the walls, and then you don't have that large chunks of wet polyacrylic in there. So that's why you need the hole all the way in the corner so you could be able to pour out the polyacrylic. Okay, next one. In order to get this right here, you're going to want two holes. Now the reason you want two holes in the bottom of the one for the flow tumbler is because you're going to need one for the glitter and one for the liquid, whatever solution and or liquid you decide to put in there. The glitter is dry, so you don't want the glitter getting stuck to the wet solution. So you're going to want two holes. You're going to want one in the corner, in the outer part, this area right here. And the reason you're going to want that is to get the bubbles out. Now you want the least amount of bubbles in there, and you don't want to have to degas your tumbler for the longest period of time. So in order to get it done in less than, let's say, in the same amount that it takes you to make the tumbler, you will already basically finish it. You don't have to degas it, you don't have to anything. So what you are going to need, you're going to need two holes, one in the inner part on this side and then one on the opposite side but on the outer part. Now the one on the inside, that one is going to be to fill your solution. The one in the outer part is going to be to put your glitter in, and for it to remain dry as you're putting it in, then that way it's not sticking to the solution and then you're struggling getting one or the other one in. Okay, now the next one for the blood effect one right here, you are going to need two holes for this one. Now for that one, the reason you need two holes is one for the solution and then the other, basically one is for the oil and then the other one is depending on if you want water and glue or you want water, glycerin and glue. So you do want two holes in this one also to help you so that they won't mix together as you're putting them in there. So you're going to want exactly kind of like the one with the snow globe, the flow snow globe. You're going to want one on this side and one up here, basically on the opposite side. You're going to want two. So one to put the oil and the other to put the blood solution, which is going to be the glue and the water mix, or the water mix with the glue and the glycerin. So yeah, you're going to want two holes. Okay, so that is an explanation of why you need as many holes as you need. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment them down below. I will make a video or I will answer them right away. Have a beautiful day.